Hey, what's up, guys? This is Adarsh, and it's been a while. This is my microphone because the lav mic was not any good, so you'll see the volume increasing and reducing every now and then. I apologize for that. Um, yeah, so a couple of weeks ago, I uploaded this video where this video called "Talking to the Camera." Don't watch that video. Please do yourself a favor and don't watch that video. I'm not telling this to make you watch the video. I'm genuinely saying don't watch the video. But yeah, so a friend of mine, I mean, he wasn't a friend then, but I can genuinely call him a friend now. He commented on the video saying he wanted to have a chat with me about magic and stuff, and I flipped out. I even texted my friend saying this guy wants to chat with me, and he's such a profound guy, and he knows so much about magic, and I don't know anything. I'm basically a noob as compared to him, and so yeah, that just goes to show how good this guy is, and he wanted to talk to me. So obviously I accepted, and we had a pretty good chat for, I think it was about 2 hours, 2 or more hours, I don't know. And we talked about a lot of stuff. Now this is a common intro for all those videos, and one of the videos was, so the video you're going to watch is the one where we talk about how we started in magic. I don't do a very good job in explaining how I got started, but the Mainak does a very good job of telling how he got started in magic. So yeah, watch it. It's a very interesting video. There's not going to be an outro as usual, so like, share, subscribe in advance. Are you a doctor by the way?
Yeah, तो थोड़ा मेरा थोड़ा सा I mean it's been 2 years I graduated, so I'm just preparing for my entrance and side by side I work also.
Okay.
तो as a junior doctor बोल सकता है, not a senior consultant.
But
लेकिन
still,
चलो
man,
MBBS तो हो गया.
I would never expect someone like you to be a doctor. Like, by the way, I'm honored to talk to you. Like,
अरे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है भाई. अरे don't do that. मुझे कैसा अजीब सा लगेगा फिर तो.
I was talking to my friends and all, and he's like, Arey, Mainank wants to talk to me. I don't know anything about magic, and this guy is so well versed with magic and all. What am I going to talk to him about? And everyone was like, just chat, man.
नहीं रे, I am not. ऐसा नहीं है. It's like it's just the thing is that like what you're doing right now.
Acha,
No, as in like
I'm studying engineering.
regularly in your day-to-day life. हाँ तो तू इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा है ना.
Yeah.
तो आई वाज देयर इन योर फेज नो वंस. अभी तू 5 साल बाद so you will also be experienced only ना.
Yeah. Hopefully.
तो आई स्टार्टेड लॉन्ग टाइम बैक. आई स्टार्टेड लॉन्ग टाइम एज इन लाइक स्कूल डेज में, जैसे क्लास 8 में था तब. मुझे अभी भी याद है.
Oh, okay.
So something just struck me. कहीं पे तो एक शो देखा था, and then तब तो I guess you might be even younger then, maybe in class 5 or 6.
Yeah.
है ना. So you'll be that. अभी तो like if I in 2008, in which class were you?
I passed out in 2014, so
14 मतलब स्कूल
Third,
कंप्लीट
fourth.
किया ना.
Yeah.
तो you will be in class 6. You'll be in
Yeah,
class
yeah.
6. है ना. So you'll be in class 6, and then तभी शायद YouTube का थोड़ा सा क्रेज आने लगा इंडिया में, थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
Because उससे पहले क्या था? उससे पहले था Orkut. पता नहीं याद है कि नहीं तुझे?
Yeah, I know.
Orkut was the thing. Orkut was the big thing then.
Yeah.
So I was very proud actually कि यार like we have a social networking site made by Indians for Indians. एक अलग सा फील आता था. तो उसके बाद आया तेरा YouTube का थोड़ा बहुत. तो उसमें YouTube में like I was very curious. तो as just a kid in a school, like what you'll be curious with everything, right?
Yeah.
So I just saw कि अच्छा इधर कुछ YouTube बोलकर कुछ है, एक वेबसाइट ऐसा. तो उसमें जाने से कुछ वीडियो देखने को मिलता है. बस इतना ही पता था.
Yeah.
तब तो घर पे कंप्यूटर हुआ नहीं करता था, कैफे में जाना होता था.
Yeah.
So we never had a laptop or something. We had a computer at a place, yes I remember, but internet connection was वो कैफे में ही मिलता था. ठीक है ना. तो वो कैफे में जाके 1-2 वीडियो देखा मैं, और एक डोंगल आता था वो सब. एनीवेज व्हाटएवर. So I saw one. Simply, I was seeing a card trick. The first trick which I saw, I still remember, was this, that, and other. एक card trick का नाम है. The three
Okay.
cards which you use. वो बीच में आ जाता है, फिर it comes to the top, and then again when you flip, it goes in the center, and then again it's the bottom card, and then
Oh, yeah. A
that's
variation
the
of
trick. तो
somewhere and nowhere, something like that, no? No, forget.
हाँ, तो वैसा है. So I don't know what it is called, but in YouTube title was this, that, and the other card. So वहीं से start हुआ थोड़ा सा. Once you get hooked onto it, it became very difficult for me to come out of it.
Yeah.
वही चलता गया. So what about you? How did it begin for you?
You know Matt Franco and Smoothini, those guys.
Yes,
they used to
Britain's Got
perform at
Talent.
AGT, yeah.
Britain's Got Talent.
Yeah.
America's Got Talent or Britain's?
America. So
Okay, yes.
yeah, so they're not like the best magicians ever, but they're pretty good. So I just
Yeah,
watched,
definitely.
and
They're
YouTube
good
pe-
performers.
Yeah, and YouTube pe I saw like the next video only was so and so magician ka so and so trick revealed. So I was like, chalo dekhte hain. How is this trick? You know the back palm thing. So where Smoothini just produces cards, and he had no sleeves, nothing. I was dumbfounded, like, where are these cards coming from? I had like, now that you think about it, it's pretty obvious पीछे से ही आ रहा होगा. But at the time I was like completely dumbfounded. So why?
That moment.
Yeah. And then I saw this video where it was a shitty video quality, and he was just like, you have to palm aisa, and then you have to produce one. I mean, and I was like, and I tried doing that, and my fingers did not have that much strength back then. I still cannot do it. Like, I used to be able to do it, but I stopped practicing. But yeah, something like this, no?
Or you're doing better.
Yeah.
I can't even do that much.
Yeah, so that is what, like, I quickly realized it's not that easy, the back palming, and this is the first move I tried to learn. People learn glide and all as their first move, and my first move was the back palm. Such a difficult move. But yeah, that is how I. Then Matt Franco I used to watch. The first trick I watched was the Matt Franco was very tried to tell a story, just shuffling cards, you know. I think you can't see my hands.
Yeah.
So he was just shuffling cards and telling a story about America's Got Talent, its address, and
Correct.
that was also
Yes,
a very beautiful trick.
yes.
And at the time, I did not know any false shuffles or anything. I knew this one false cut. I'm dropping. I can't do it now. But it was a 3-packet false cut. And I was like, मेरे को ये आता है. I'll just do this false cut and then I'll tell the story. People will just believe कि those cards are genuinely shuffled. And I performed it once, and it was like, you just cut the packet 3 times. How do you expect us to believe the packets are shuffled and all? And yeah, so a couple of disappointments in the start, but then I started continuing.
वो तो होता ही है. I still remember the first time when I did double lift. I could not do the double lift. So what I used to do is, like, we use this Vaseline to put it on your lips, right?
Yeah.
तो वो मैं कार्ड के पीछे लगा कैसे चिपकाता था उसको. Then I used to show them, like, why it is only single card. So we all have these moments and stories to share, definitely. Can you imagine double lift के लिए? And suppose this is an impromptu place, right? So you can't. And that time bicycle का भाई, I could not. Bicycle and all it's impossible to access.
Yeah.
उनको जो local shop में मिलता था वही cards लेते थे, तो उसमें plastic coated था. So what I used to do is, wherever I am impromptu, there's no Vaseline on me, what to do? Put 1 drop of water, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा क्या होता है, vacuum जैसा बनता था. That becomes the double lift. It was so easy, and everybody, क्या मजा आता था. But the cards used to get destroyed. That's a different thing.
Yeah.
So stories तो है भाई, ऐसे तो काफी initially होता था. And then how it developed for you?
Yeah, I used to do this double. Like, I was so bad at magic, man, you won't believe it. And still I used to go out and perform. So I mean,
that is the best thing you did, man.
So you know this double lift which David Blaine used to do.
Yeah.
So the important thing is, when you're turning over a single, that time also you should use the same motion only. I was like, no,
Yeah.
single I'll turn as fairly as possible, but double I'll do this weird motion. And people just caught onto it. Like, why are you turning? Some cards you're turning this way, some cards you're doing this way. What is going on? Like, I never because it's a pretty foolproof double, right? The grip is pretty good. The cards don't split or anything.
Yeah.
So and at the time I could not do, like right now the most used one is the float double. That is what I use most of the time. I'm trying
Yeah.
to get the push off down, but I can't do it properly. No, I just turned out 3 cards. So yeah, the failures are only that I remember. I like starting में YouTube पे I thought everything is on YouTube, right? Like there's nothing else. So I used to binge watch YouTube videos on car. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. I
Yeah.
can.
So I just used to
Yeah.
binge watch card tricks and like within one and a half year I'd seen pretty much all the videos on YouTube. Not all the videos, I mean obviously, but I'd seen a lot of
Most
videos.
of them. Yeah.
Yeah. So I used to go around telling everyone card magic का मैं master हूँ, no card trick can fool me, because like for me, at least on YouTube there wasn't any trick that would fool me. So yeah,
Uh-huh.
but quickly I realized books exist, and those tricks are like the first time I met Arsh. You remember Arsh, right?
Yeah. Yes,
The
yes,
tricks
yes.
he
We were
was
there
showing
in
us,
somewhere
like,
in Andheri side, right?
yeah, Kandivali, I think.
There was this nice cafe that we all went
Yeah,
to.
yeah. It was a
Yeah, I
Kandivali,
remember.
yeah.
I remember.
So that is like, I mean, I used to read books and all before that. Like Chris Ramsey and all, they used to make videos on how the good stuff is in the books, right? But I don't like reading, man. Just in general, like not putting magic aside, I don't like reading.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, I just
Books are, trust me, books are the way to go.
yeah.
It is amazing. So do you, उसके बाद you met Arsh, sorry.
Yeah. I met Joshua, you remember Josh?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Josh is
so-
a fellow colleague.
So he's my very first friend in Magic, and I met him a long time before I met you guys. So Rise Magic, the YouTube channel, they put out a video saying find a Magic Jam near you, something like that. I don't know if you've watched it or not. And they asked people to enter the name of the country in the comment section and put some way of contacting them. And there I saw Joshua's number. He had put his phone number, and there was like for magicians in Mumbai. Sorry, I don't remember if it was India or Mumbai. But yeah, he had put down his phone number, which was weird, like putting out your phone number on the internet. I would not do it. So he's a pretty ballsy guy. So yeah, we'll just meet up with magicians. We'll have a lot of positivity around all that stuff. So I texted him saying, I texted him saying I saw so and so comment on this so and so YouTube channel, and then he added me to this group, and it was like 4 or 5 people, and nobody was active. So I mean, I did not continue talking to any of those other people. Just Joshua kind of stuck. Like we were both kind of equally passionate about magic, and all these other
Oh,
guys,
so basically there were other people also who came into that jam session.
yeah, it wasn't a
Okay.
lot,
And
not
all of
more
them-
than 10 people. Like 6-7 people were there.
So I assure you, till today also, if you try finding 10 magicians in Siliguri, it will be a tough job.
Oh god.
So that number, it like I'm very what do you say? I that number sounds like honey to me, because 10 people in a jam session in Siliguri, it's, oh my god, it's not possible.
Oh.
Okay, then what happened? Please continue. Yes.
Yeah, so slowly, like today, he's like one of my best friends, even aside from magic. Like, so
He's a nice guy, man.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I don't like dheere dheere. Then Cardmacon happened. So Cardmacon is where we first met. Like I cracked the lame
Yes,
joke
yes.
saying you have all magicians around, keep your deck safe. I don't know if you remember.
No, that's fine, but like I'm pretty sure you will feel the same as well.
Yeah, so Cardmacon is when everything changed, you know. Before Cardmacon, I knew only Josh and like those 5-6 people who weren't that interested. And we used to meet a lot, me and Josh. Like we used to jam and all. And he was miles better than me as far as moves and all go. And as like these, not even intermediate. Even I don't even consider myself an intermediate now. I'm just a beginner. Everyone's a beginner, in my opinion. Like,
Yeah.
there's
Yeah.
a lot to learn.
There's a lot of things to learn, man. You can't complete
Yeah.
it. Every day is a new day.
So we used to meet SAE, and then Cardmacon happened, and I did not have money to go to Cardmacon, and I borrowed money from Josh, and there's like, can you pay for me? I'll somehow I don't work, you know. So and like
Of course, they're
there was
students.
no hope there was no hope to get money from parents also. So I said, I don't know how I'll pay you back, but just pay for me. I'll pay you back. And it took me like one and a half hour to pay one and a half years to pay him back. By the way,
So Josh was working by then.
yeah, he was working. When I met him only, he was working.
So
So
he
yeah.
was doing internship, maybe. He was doing
Mhm.
internship.
So yeah, I went to Cardmacon, and from there, literally everything. Like I wanted to make like a group of magicians. Like, so I just went around everywhere asking everyone for numbers. Like, can you give me a number? I'm trying to make this group. Can you give me a number? I'm trying to make this group. And
Because yeah, that's true, man. Because it's a very small community in India.
yeah.
It's very difficult to find a fellow magician.
Yeah.
Very difficult.
So the group we know as the One More Joker thing. That is the group
Yeah,
I created after Cardmacon. So yeah, so I just went around asking for numbers, and then that same night I created a group, and I was like, I'm making all of you admins, and just add whoever you know in Magic, and slowly that group started developing. So yeah.
Now it's one of the busiest group.
Beach में a lot of new members came in, and they just started shoving down magic down your throats. And that, I don't know if you were there in the group before that, or you were one of them.
I was.
You were
I
there
was there
before
from the
them.
beginning.
Yeah.
The thing is that my schedule is little packed up, so I am not that I cannot be very active, but I follow everything
Yeah. So
as much as I can because there are a lot of posts that keep on coming in.
And that like annoyed the hell out of us. Like these guys, before that we kind of knew each other personally, you know, like.
Yeah,
how
at least we have met once.
Yeah, and these guys don't know each other, nothing, and they're just marketing themselves, just putting magic out there. I was like, what the hell are you guys doing, man? And I was the one who brought those two groups together, right? And it's like the worst thing I've ever done. I did not know it will come to
That's
this.
okay. That's okay, man. We all learn from everything.
Yeah.
Everything is a learning thing.
But yeah, after Cardmacon, I really got serious. Like before that, I was like, theek hai, some tricks I used to be able to do. Like 2 or 3 moves I was proud of. I could do not all moves, but like basic moves like the double lift, the double undercut, the pass and all. But some moves like Elmsley count and all, I was pretty good at the Elmsley count back then. So yeah, not a lot of moves, but then after Cardmacon, just looking at how many people are there in our community, that just burned something in me. And after that, I just started learning. Like the speed was so slow until Cardmacon, and after that, I just kept learning, just kept reading books, kept learning magic, just kept watching downloads. Yeah, so that is what. Yeah, now I've talked a lot about what is your journey?
In Magic,
Yeah.
so Magic, as I said, like again, us, like our generation, like me, you, maybe 2-3 years junior to you. No, sorry, maybe 2-3 years senior to you, like senior to me. This bracket, like plus minus 7 years. Okay, like plus minus not 7 years, maybe 4 to 5 years.
Yeah.
Plus minus 5 years from we all started. Most of us started with YouTube.
1 second.
Most of us. Sure.
Yeah.
So most of us started with YouTube, and that also happened with me. I also
Yeah.
started with YouTube. So YouTube definitely has a big significance in my magical journey. Definitely,
Yeah.
I'll not deny the fact. So as you were saying in your video that uh, some people get offended that white tricks are being revealed in YouTube, and then but then again there is a question that if someone wants to learn, where do you go?
Yeah.
It becomes very unfair if you do not have access to the knowledge you want to gather.
Yeah.
So that's a big problem, and that's very unfair, as you said, and I agree with you. So that is there. So even that YouTube helped me, and after that what happened was there was a magician in my school.
Okay.
So this guy actually if you go through the history of magic in India, you will see a lot of magicians are from Kolkata, West Bengal. There will be a lot of people. So in this part of the country, they had a thing for magic. Okay, so from the place from where I am, it's Siliguri. So Siliguri is like it is what do you say? It's a remote place. It's a very small city. So
Yeah.
over there, it's not much exposed because it's like we are just there in the foothills. We have Himalayas, and जहाँ पे हिमालय खत्म हो रहा है, मतलब जहाँ से start हो रहा है, उससे आगे आएगा तो सिलीगुड़ी है. It's a small space. So we stay there. So that's a small city. So Calcutta was the place, Kolkata rather. Kolkata was the place where the influence of magic was very high that time.
Yeah.
And similarly, there was this senior who was there with me, and he used to travel to Kolkata a lot. So he wanted to go into the film industry.
Yeah.
So he was senior to me. So and he used to come, and then he used to talk about magic, and then somehow I came to know that he does good magic. So I used to go to his house, and then he used to. That time I never knew that we could have. There was DVDs and lectures and
Yeah.
books and nothing. So I used to go to his house, and then he used to teach me 2 tricks. And then again, I used to get so interested. I'm like, okay, I'll come to your house again. And then after school, every day I used to go to his house. It had become like a ritual for me. And then suddenly I met one day. What happened was there was this a senior magician had come to his house. So he called me. He called me and he said that today you have to come because there is this senior magician who is here. So he can teach us even more better stuffs. Whatever I know, I told you.
Yeah.
Now even he's even better than me. Like he's more knowledgeable, and he can teach both of us. So if you want to come, you can come. So I was super excited. Anyways, there's so scarcity. Magicians is a very scarce species in my community, like in the place where I stay. So I was very excited. I go there, and then I see I was in class 9 or maybe class 10 by that time. It's been like 1 year or 2 years like that. Okay, so I see this guy, and he is doing amazing. I still remember he took a queen of hearts. He showed me a queen of hearts. Then he said, can you just focus on the eyes of the queen of hearts? Then I was focusing, and like, yeah, okay, she's awake. I'm like, yeah, she is awake because her eyes are open. And then he does a small wave kind of a thing, and her eyes shuts down. And like, oh, she's sleeping. This is the sleeping queen. See, I got flipped. I flipped. And like, what? Till then I knew that, okay, there's a card. I put the card, and then I find your card. This kind of a concept. But this was like very new for me. Like, there's this queen, and image is changing into a different image. So that was very hard hitting.
Yeah.
Then the thing is that guy was the first guy who showed me how a bicycle deck looks like. I'm like, oh my god. So that was a discovery. Like, I'm pretty sure everyone has their own story for the first time handling bicycle decks.
Yeah.
And then from there, what happened was this school senior of mine, he eventually graduated from school, and the super senior magician, he was working in Calcutta then.
Yeah.
After 2 to 3 years, and I used to do by myself. I used to watch some videos. And then this guy comes back from Calcutta, and he's basically he stays in Siliguri.
Yeah.
This guy comes back from this senior magician comes back from Calcutta, and somehow I came in contact with him, and then I started going to his place, and we started discussing. And today, like, that guy is, I'm pretty sure you know him. He's my partner, Kunal. So that is the guy who is Kunal.
Oh, okay.
So this guy is Kunal. So he has a huge significance.
Yeah.
He's had a huge role in what magic looks, what was magic and everything. So that's how it started, and then we kept on doing from there. So right now, initially I used to be like more focused on see, when you begin, we are not that matured, right? We're
Yeah.
not very mature. So once you cross a certain time, I'll not say a certain what do you say, a dexterity or maybe performance skills. I'll not say that. So once you cross a certain experience,
Yeah.
you realize that the main thing what lies is on the theory and the books. So before I used to go behind the all the new DVDs that are coming down, and torrent was the big thing then. Torrent everything, torrent here, right, left, center, torrent jitna ho sorry, jitna ho sakta hai. Get the torrents down, learn, whatever. I was not even judging.
Yeah.
Am I going to do this? Am I going to use this in my routine? No. But why am I doing it? No, I just have to do it because I just want to build my arsenal.
Yeah.
मेरे को बस आना चाहिए, बस ऐसा मेरे को आना चाहिए. आगे मैं उसको यूज करूंगा नहीं करूंगा भाड़ में जाए. वो मेरे को बस आना चाहिए. और कोई if some new things come, I'm like okay, some new maybe some gimmicks or some small stuffs or small utility devices.
Yeah.
मेरे को वो चाहिए. मेरे को पता नहीं मैं यूज करूंगा नहीं करूंगा, मेरे को तो चाहिए. But that time I was not working. I didn't have much money to spend. I mean, I cannot ask my parents for because they don't understand, right? Most of them will not understand.
Yeah. Same
So,
for me at Cardmacon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I don't blame any one of them because something very new. Maybe your kid wants to go to Cardmacon, you don't mind because you know what it is.
Yeah.
Or maybe something else. Cardmacon is for magic. Maybe your kid wants to go for maybe a guitar conference or anything. It can be anything. Maybe plants, maybe bird watching, whatever. So you'll understand it, right? So, but for us, it's difficult, as you know. तो ऐसे we started doing it. I started learning, and then I realized that अरे यार ये सब तो बकवास हो रहा है, इसमें कुछ फायदा होने वाला है नहीं, क्योंकि I'm just accumulating.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Right now, if I just open my wardrobe, you'll be seeing like there's so many tricks. छोटा बहुत सारा ट्रिक दिखेगा.
Yeah.
जो in my place there's small fair that takes place every seasonal fairs. तो वहाँ पे काफी सारे magicians आते थे. They used to sell tricks. They used to do tricks. तो उनसे मैं लेता था, but I never used them. Then I realized no, this is not the way. Then slowly I started putting more focus on what I actually want to do, what will suit me. So there are few tricks जो तू अच्छा करेगा, ठीक है? It will suit you. ठीक है? If I try to do that, it will not work. Maybe techniques and all everything I'll practice, I'll get it.
Yeah.
Maybe तू practice करेगा, तेरे को भी मिल जाएगा. There's a third magician. He'll practice those techniques and even he can get it done.
Yeah.
But presentation is all, presentation sab hota hai. Then eventually I realized that it's a theatrics. You want to perform now, it's theatrics. Like what emotion are you conveying to your audience? वो जब घर जाएगा तो तेरे बारे में like what
Yeah. What is the memory you create?
Yeah. What is the memory you create and what impact does that memory have on them? So that what matters. तो तू अगर एक double lift कर रहा है, तो एक double lift से you can create a very strong memory. You can create a okay memory also.
Yeah.
That entirely depends on how you perform